What are the different types of outer joins? We've looked briefly at outer joins already. Now let's demonstrate in detail. So an outer join means that the rows in a join are those matching each other, the intersection or inner join, plus the rows that do not match in general. Let's look at this example. If I join this table here to this table here, which happens to be a show table with just the ID and show date on, and I join it with a category table which has the same ID plus rodeo and ski passes, what I want to do is I want to join everything on this table with 33 to all of these plus the 34. If it was a left outer join on this table, I want everything in this table plus everything in this table that intersects, ID 33. Note the ID is the same, the show date and category are different, but on this table here we have ski passes. It's not on there, so a left outer join would take the intersection plus the data on this table that is not on the right. So we have all the IDs 33 plus the ski passes. As you can tell by the comment, the 34 ski passes record is not matched between the tables, but it is included in the result. If we were to do a right outer join, we wouldn't actually get any result in the right table that is not in the left table, which is why I've demonstrated this as a left outer join. In this case, this is just an outer join. So, back to the detail. The left outer join includes the intersection plus everything in the left table and not in the right table. Specifically, the ANSI version says category, left outer join, show, in other words, table, left outer join, other table, on the key that you're using to join it with. There is an Oracle proprietary syntax that uses a little plus sign that gets placed on the side of the where clause after the field name, on the side of the where clause that is deficient in information. What that means is that this is the table that has fewer rows. In other words, the table on the left, the category table, has the rows that form part of the outer part of the join. The show has all the rows that form the inner part of the join. So going back to this previous example, the category table has 34 ski passes, which is the outer part of the join, and the show table on the right has the ID 33, which is common to both tables. So the plus sign would work with the table that is deficient in information. It doesn't have the 34 ski passes data. The show table doesn't have the extra data, the category table does. So the show table gets the plus sign. So a right outer join, similar to a left outer join, except that when you have table, right outer join, table, you're looking for the information in the right side table that has more data than the one on the left. And here's an example of a right outer join, and in this case we're using the supporting act data and the act table. In this case we have a lot more acts than we do supporting acts, because the supporting act is actually an element that is present in the act table as well. So if we want to join a right outer join, in other words find stuff in the act table that is in the act table that is not in supporting act, in addition to the intersecting data, the supporting act table is deficient in information, so the plus sign goes after the expression on the left hand side. In practice, the ANSI standard version is actually far more prominent in use in Oracle nowadays in Oracle SQL than it was in the past, but there still are some legacy applications that use this Oracle proprietary format, so you need to know how to do it. A full outer join, once again, takes the intersection plus stuff on the left and stuff on the right. You can only do full outer join. You can't say where column plus sign in brackets equals column plus sign in brackets. That just doesn't work in Oracle SQL. There is no full outer join equivalent. And here we are actually joining full outer join on multiple tables, venue to show on the specific column names, and then joining to the ACT table on the specific column names. Those are the different types of outer joins.